Okay, how's everybody doing? Johnson and Sean Johnson. Hi, how are you guys? So live trading session here. Personally, I will talk about all markets here during this session. Maybe probably will be a quick session. I will take a look on all markets and I will try to identify new opportunities. Maybe if I will have something, I will place the trade here. I will share the trade into the VIP group, maybe also in the free groups as well. So before I will start this this session, risk disclaimer. It's important, guys, to understand that trading it's risky. Please read the disclaimer, okay? It's important. Yeah, I'm presenting this disclaimer before all my webinars and my videos because it's important for you to understand that trading is risky and that the past performance is not a reliable indicator of future performance. Hello, I asked myself what is the best leverage for me to use. Diego, I don't know. I believe that you are a retail trader, maybe. So yeah. Suru, hi, how are you? So yeah, Diego, it's up to you. Yeah, I cannot tell you what leverage to use, but I believe that I don't know where are you from, but from what country are you from? But I believe that if you are a retail trader, maybe you will have to use a lower leverage. Yeah. Because you are not a professional. So risk disclaimer, as I've said, and also don't forget that if you are not a VIP member and if you want to join the VIP groups, you'll have to buy a subscription. This is the only way you can access the VIP groups. Don't forget that there are a lot of scamming groups, a lot of scammers out there on Telegram trying to impersonate us, trying to impersonate Learn to Trade. So don't forget also that Learn to Trade team will never contact you directly, will never ask for payment. Yeah, so if you want to join the groups, you'll have to buy a subscription. Okay, so hi sir, can we make some short setups with gold and silver today? Ramazanov, hi, how are you? Hi, from Sri Lanka. Hi, how are you? I'm from South Africa. Okay, okay. Also, another question, can you show us how you calculate risk? Please guys, you have please visit our YouTube channel, or I believe that's actually no. One moment, I will. You can find the Johnson. You can find that position size calculator in our VIP group. Okay, position size calculator, and we also have a trading tutorial in our YouTube and also in that in our VIP group on how to use that position size calculator and how to calculate the risk. Okay, if you have maybe more questions after viewing that video, yeah, I will come back and I will reply. I'm from Belgium. I trade Forex, but I'm just new to it, so I don't know the best leverage. My balance is 1,000 euro. So if you are from Belgium, I believe that you are a retail trader, and I believe that you can use 1 to 30 or something like this, or 30 to 1. Yeah, something like this. Olympia gold trades are very good. Why don't you trade gold anymore? You're yeah, I will trade gold when I'll have something. Today, guys, I've tried something on lower time frames, but unfortunately, yeah, yeah, this was invalidated. Unfortunately, the price invalidated this potential setup. Okay, I was looking at the potential reversal here, but it has resumed its sell-off. Yeah, it was risky today to trade because we had the Swiss National Bank, the Bank of England, the European Central Bank, US retail sales, unemployment claims, ECB press conference, industrial production, capacity utilization rate. So the fundamentals moved the markets. Okay, it was risky. It was, but yeah, personally I've tried to catch potential rebounds after this sell-off here on Australian dollar, US dollar, also on New Zealand dollar, US dollar, and yeah, those those pending orders were invalidated, or the potential setups were invalidated. So right now let's take a look, and let's start with the dollar index. Okay, so the dollar index, yeah, it has retested here 103.67, only false breakdown with great separation. Right now it could try to rebound. Okay, it could try to rebound, but the pressure is still high. It remains high. Okay, so that's why I've said that personally I will look only for US dollar shorts. Okay, but maybe in the short term I will try to catch something also as potential US dollar longs if maybe the dollar index will really develop a rebound or something. So yeah, let's take a look, and let's start with gold as well. Gold, yeah, gold. Earlier today I've talked about silver in that video analysis, daily video analysis, and I've talked about this resistance and confluence area. So let's take a look on lower time frames. Okay, maybe we'll have something here. So only false breakouts to this confluence area. I've talked about this scenario earlier today in my daily video. Also, it has reached the upper medium line. It has turned to the downside. One moment, guys. So technically, personally, I've had here resistance, maybe. No, not silver, sir. Everyone wants you to trade gold, SA. But please, guys, if I don't have something really good in gold, I cannot trade gold. Okay, if I don't have a setup. Okay, in gold. About gold, yeah, it has rebounded. Please take a look here. Yeah, maybe personally I will look for longs in gold only here after reaching this this zone. Okay, this zone in gold. So that's why I don't want to sell it right now. Okay, or to sell it only from here, from around this resistance level. So that's why right now, no, I don't have anything in gold. So yeah, maybe I will miss. Yeah. Okay. I don't want to miss a potential trade here, or maybe I've already missed an opportunity to go short after this candle in silver, because I've talked about this confluence area, test retest, only false breakouts. And as you already know, guys, when the price registers a false breakout through a confluence area, then it will move to the opposite direction. And yeah, I've missed all these test retest and false breakouts, unfortunately. But yeah, maybe I'll wait also here with silver. Maybe it was good only on lower time frames or something. So right now I'll wait, and maybe I will look for potential shorts if it retests here. Okay, in silver, and maybe I will look for potential shorts after making a new lower low here or something, because now right now, as I've said, the economic calendar was filled with high impact events today, high volatility, sharp movements in both directions. Yeah, it's crazy. But yeah, maybe on lower time frames I've had something here, but yeah, maybe we had something for scalping. Yeah, but yeah, right now I believe that it's too late maybe to catch potential downside movement. Yeah, Yeah, so no. Okay, gold again. Let's take a look on gold. So as I've said earlier, maybe I will look for potential longs here around this S1, around this demand zone. Okay, and right now gold and silver turning to the downside and drop it only because the dollar index rallied. Okay, it has rallied after retesting here, after registering only a false breakdown. So yeah, I will look right now for potential US dollar longs on lower time frames. Now here Euro USD, now it's too late because personally I have a demand zone here, and probably I will be a seller only if the price takes out this zone, this area here. So no. British pound, US dollar. I still remember my trade was your gold, you know, it was spot on, man, spot on. Yeah. Maybe here I've missed an opportunity to go short, to go long on US dollar on this British pound US dollar. After taking out the uptrend line, okay, sell off, test, retests, and maybe I've missed an opportunity to go short. Yeah, it would have been a good trade, but personally I'm not worried, guys, because I will catch other trades. I will still look for potential new trades. Best trade. Okay, so yeah, this yeah, unfortunately I've missed opportunity after these retests here, maybe to go short at market from around this level. So to place a sell stop here, it would have been in profit. But yeah, this is the thing, guys. As I've said, high volatility, sharp movements in both directions, high impact events today. So that's why right now I will have to look for something else. Okay, to look for something else. USD Japanese yen. It continues to move somehow sideways here in the short term. We have resistance here, we have supply zone, supply area. Maybe I'll wait for the price to take it out, and then I will look for potential longs US dollar Japanese yen, or if it stays below these resistance levels, upside obstacles, maybe I will look for potential new shorts in the short term. Okay, US dollar Canadian dollar. As I've said, maybe this will be a quick session, but I will answer also to your questions. I will try to identify something here, but as I've said, maybe we're better to wait for the markets to calm down, to cool down after all these high impact events. Okay, USDCAD. There's Richard supply here, but yeah, I don't have a setup to trade right now here on this market. US dollar Swiss franc. Yeah, US dollar Swiss franc. I've had I will talk about this market today, guys. I wanted to place a buy stop here above this former high with a maybe potential stop loss, but yeah, the price failed to take out the supply zone here, the resistance zone, to take out the medium line of the ascending pitchfork, and right now it has crashed. It has retested this demand zone, and it has rallied. So maybe I will still look for potential longs here on US dollar versus the Swiss franc in the short term, but yeah, I really want the price to take out this supply zone. Yeah, I want the price to jump above it, to test, retest, maybe to come back to consolidate or something before extending its growth, or to take out the medium line, and then boom. Okay, so yeah, because maybe this could be a potential inverse head and shoulders pattern, maybe a potential neckline here. I want the price to make a very breakout before extending its growth. Okay, so yeah, a strong reaction from this demand zone earlier today, but yeah, on lower time frames I wanted the confirmation. Wanted confirmation here only. This retest, yeah, maybe buy stop here, it would have been good, but yeah, this is the thing. On lower time frames the markets are moving very quick and quickly. And what indicator do you work with? Mahmoud, please, Australian dollar, US dollar. Yeah, I'll take a look on that market as well. I've talked about Australian dollar, US dollar, about New Zealand dollar, US dollar, because personally I was looking for potential rebounds in the short term. Okay. Because also I'm waiting here for the price to take out this resistance and this supply zone, this resistance zone, only because right now if I want to go long, where should I place my stop loss? Here? No. That's why I want a breakout, maybe the price to come back down, and then I will look for potential longs, or breakout here, accumulation consolidation, to validate its breakout above the medium line and then to extend its growth. Because if it stays below 0.93 psychological level, it could still drop a little in the short term. Kumar, very new to his VIP group. Past 2 weeks, he signaled his stop loss in the VIP signal group. Guys, please don't join his VIP group. Yeah, it's up to you guys. If you want to join the VIP groups, or if you want to follow the trades. Okay. So yeah, I will still keep an eye on this US dollar versus the Swiss franc. And also, if you think that I don't know, 1 week or 2 week will make you rich, if you will start trading, or if you think that 2 weeks or 1 month or 2 months or I don't know are decisive, yeah, you are wrong. You are wrong. Yeah. What? Common dialogues from Orlando. Looking very, very good. Olympia SU. No. What? Okay. So yeah, supply zone here, as I've said. I'll wait here on this market. Australian dollar, US dollar. I will try to, because after this amazing sell-off, yeah, I have maybe demand zones, support zones here, but I'll wait for the price to reach the support zones, or the demand zones, and then to confirm a potential rebound. Okay, I will still look for potential rebounds on New Zealand dollar, US dollar, and Australian dollar, US dollar, because after the massive sell-off, yeah, it could try to rebound. Okay. Okay. Bitcoin, yeah, sell off on Bitcoin as well. Yeah, it has found resistance after reaching this upside line. Personally, I have maybe I will look for longs here if it stays above these downside obstacles. Or any thoughts on US dollars, Japanese yen shorts? Yeah, we'll take a look on that market. or if it drops and takes out this uptrend line, I will look maybe for potential longs here around this demand zone, maybe. Okay. Also, the altcoins drop it as well. As you already know, when the price of Bitcoin drops, the altcoins could drop as well. But Ethereum, okay, Ethereum reached here the pivot point, or actually this zone. We have actually personally I have the weekly pivot point here, 1262, and yeah, I have a support zone, demand area, and I'll wait for the price maybe to retest here, and then maybe it will turn to the upside. Of course, if the price of Bitcoin could try to the and see, always missing most given signals of, yeah, this is so you will see it for yourself when you will start looking for trades, that you will miss a lot of opportunities, but there are a lot of opportunities still in the market, so that's why, yeah, but you are also here to learn, and that's why I'm showing you maybe what I've missed as setups, potential setups, because you can learn how to read the markets, not because I want to show you, yeah, what a great sell-off we had here. I didn't say that I had an opportunity here, no, but yeah, this is the thing. So altcoins dropped as well, only because the price of Bitcoin dropped. Let's take a look on yen basket. Today we had also, today I've talked about a deeper drop here. As you already know from my market breakdown video, I've said that maybe we'll have a deeper drop here, and Orlando was short on the yen, on the Japanese yen, with that British pound Japanese yen long, and that's why I didn't wanted to maybe to double the risk or something. Also, it was risky to trade sir. Maybe we'll try Canadian dollar Japanese yen again. Yeah, we'll try when I will have something. Let's take a look on that market. So a deeper drop, and right now medium line here, and also demand zone, and probably and maybe the Japanese yen basket could rebound, and the potential rebound here could force the Japanese yen to appreciate, to take the lead. Okay, so today I talked about this potential sell-off. I talked about Japanese yen shorts in my market breakdown. Okay, so let's take a look. Canadian dollar Japanese yen. Canadian dollar Japanese yen. So we are still inside of this range pattern, sideways movement, 101.12, sorry, 99.48. Okay, and if the yen basket will rebound, and if Canadian dollar Japanese yen will only retest here, will register only false breakouts, I will look for potential shorts. But if the price takes out the resistance, escapes from this pattern, from this range, maybe I will look for potential longs. Okay, but right now we have, or actually personally I have a demand, a supply zone here, a resistance zone, so that's why I'll wait to see how it will react here. Okay, because I don't want to buy it here right below resistance. I don't want to sell it as long as I don't have a selling setup. British pound Japanese yen. Okay, yeah, we had the BOE today, Bank of England. No, I don't have something here on this market. Euro Japanese yen. Resistance zone, supply here. I'll wait for the price to hit the supply, and then if it prints here, if it develops a bearish pattern, I will look for potential shorts. Of course, as I've said, if the Japanese yen will try to rebound, okay, because it could try to rebound after this sell-off. It could try to rebound, okay, and recover. Okay, US oil. I will delete maybe my drawings, my pitchfork, downtrend line. So it has reached this supply zone. Probably I will look for shorts here. In US oil, because after this leg higher, it has reached resistance. It has reached this supply zone. It has reached this supply zone. So yeah, I have been using the VIP signals for about 1.5 hours. I have been able to make good profit with both VIP and swing VIP group. Zuru, as I've said, if I'm losing my trades during 1 week or 1 month, it doesn't matter for me, because every trader, even if you will be an experienced trader, you will lose. Trading is not only about winning trades. And also, personally, I don't believe that you will have a strategy or technique or approach or concept that will bring you, or it will offer you only winning trades. Okay, everything is about risk management, about money management, because this is the key. So here, as I've said, let's take a look on economic calendar. Maybe I will look for potential shorts here. Maybe a new retest here. Maybe it will try once again to retest this zone. Maybe this will be my next trade, US oil. Okay, it has after reaching this supply zone, retest a new lower low here, and right now it could try once again to retest here before dropping deeper. So let's take a look. Yesterday we had crude oil inventories. Okay, please take a look here. Deep in the positive territory, and that's why maybe the price of US oil could turn to the downside as well. Could turn to the downside. So I will try to identify a potential setup for a potential short. So yeah, I'm looking for shorts. Also something like this. Maybe I will use this major descending pitchfork. Retest. Okay. Or 1.5. But yeah, right now and also right now guys, maybe you notice that I'm using lower risk, maybe only half risk. Maybe when you have a bad period, it is okay maybe to cut the risk a little, maybe to reduce maybe a potential drawdown or something. But also personally I'm using lower risk right now in the for my setups, also because I'm looking for potential intraday trades, short-term trades on lower time frames, and also I'm using new indicators. Okay, I'm using new indicators, and yeah, that's why I want to use lower risk, and then yeah, I will use 1% risk again, but right now maybe only half risk for my trades, for my setups. Okay. Okay, and also if I will decide to place a potential sell stop or sell at market on US oil, don't forget guys that maybe the price will be different. Yeah, the price could be different from a brokerage company to another brokerage company when trading US oil, when trading CFDs. Okay, thank you guys. Yeah, as I've said earlier about silver, it could maybe try to come back higher or something. Gold. I don't have a good setup on gold right now, and as I've said, I have a demand zone here, so yeah, I will look for something something here, but I need confirmation. Okay, US 100, US 30, and US 500. Yeah, the US equities dropped, crashed because the US dollar tried to actually appreciated. The dollar index rebounded in the short term. For our, maybe I will look for potential shorts on US equities, but right now, yeah, the price reached also on US 500 these former lows as support levels. It could rebound a little before dropping deeper, so I don't have something really good. Okay, it seems that you don't have questions. That's why I will end this webinar, and I will come back with my trade. I will share my trade in US oil into the VIP group, and yeah, I will don't forget that the price could be different, but yeah, as I've said, it's important. I will maybe, if I will send it, I will share the thought process, the rationale, because it's important to understand the price action. Okay, it's important to understand the price action. Okay, thank you guys. Don't forget to like the video. If you have questions, you can send an email to support, as you already know. And if you are not a VIP member and if you want to join us, you can you can access the link posted right below this video. Don't forget that you can still use that code, that coupon YouTube at the checkout to get a 10% discount. Thank you guys. Bye bye. And tomorrow I will go live as well, and maybe sooner, and I will try to place at least one trade live on lower time frames, as intraday trade or scalping or something. Thank you guys. Have a great day.